Hey guys, Midnight Hatter here, and I just wanted to share a quick little money-saving hack with you that I've been using for a number of years, but I've never made a video about it, so here it is. So as you know, I've been working on a high-grade Universal Century hi-zack pre-production custom. Here is the head unit, and I have a wireless induction LED unit installed here. If we take it apart, you can see it's held in place by a little bit of putty. Now, if you've been into Gunpla for a while, you've seen these Monoeye / lens clear effect part pieces. They're pretty awesome, but they're a little expensive. So I'm suggesting that you take your beam effect part pieces here. Anyone will do, but the more flexible, the easier it's going to be to work with. Now you can do this with a plain old pen as long as it's got a metal tip and a little hole at the end where the pen actually comes out. Now what I'm going to be using for this particular technique is a click eraser. It's a precision eraser that I got as part of an Art Snacks combo. And so we use the digital calipers to measure the internal diameter of the hole. And we want to find a drill bit that has a very close diameter to make a similar sized hole. You're going to want to find a clear spot on the leftover sprue from your beam effect part piece. Line up your hole over that and go ahead and punch down on it. And so now, after quite a bit of effort, we have a perfectly round Monoeye effect part piece that we just used recycled sprues to get. And because we measured our hole, we know exactly how big it is. It should just fit right in there snugly. And there you go. A cheap yet great looking Monoeye effect part piece. Hope you guys dig this quick tip, and again, tune in on Wednesdays to see some more Gunpla live streams where I will be doing this stuff for your amusement. And until then, I will catch you guys later.